All right, let's talk about something super frustrating, something I know a lot of you have felt. You have every intention of studying, you sit down, you're ready to go, but your brain just says nope. If that's you, then you are in exactly the right place.
So, I'm gonna paint a picture for you. Let me know if this starts to sound a little too familiar. You get everything set up. Your desk is clean, your books are open, and you make a promise to yourself. Okay, that's it. Today, I'm gonna be serious. No more messing around. You're actually feeling kind of motivated. But then, not even 5 minutes in, it happens. Your hand just kind of moves. It has a mind of its own almost, and it starts reaching for your phone. You don't even decide to do it, it just happens.
And boom, just like that, you're down the rabbit hole. You tell yourself it's just a quick peek at Instagram, but that turns into a few YouTube videos, and before you know it, you're just mindlessly scrolling and scrolling. You finally look up at the clock, and wow, an entire hour has just disappeared. And right on schedule, that awful, heavy feeling of guilt just washes over you. You start thinking, what am I even doing? And that's the phrase that just echoes in your head, isn't it? I really want to do this, so why can't I? It's so frustrating because you know you want to work, but it feels like some other part of you is actively fighting against it. Okay, I need you to listen to me very, very carefully. This is the most important thing you're going to hear. You are not lazy. Seriously, let that sink in for a second. Think about it. Genuinely lazy people, they don't feel bad about not working. They enjoy it. The fact that you feel guilty, the fact that you feel stressed about it, that's the ultimate proof that you want to be productive. The problem isn't you, it's your system. Let's think of it like driving a car. Your motivation, that's you hitting the accelerator. You're trying to move forward, but your bad system, all the distractions, your phone right there, the vague plan, that's you slamming on the brakes at the exact same time. You're flooring it and braking at once. Of course, you're not going anywhere. So let's pull back the curtain and look at what's really going on here. Because again, this isn't a character flaw. It's just, well, it's brain science.
It really boils down to 3 main things. Number 1, your brain is hooked on easy pleasure, that quick dopamine hit you get from scrolling. Studying is hard work. It can't compete with that instant reward. 2, you're being too vague. A goal like study biology is confusing for your brain, so it just shuts down. And 3, you're waiting for motivation to show up. But motivation is flaky. It's an unreliable friend that never shows up when you need it most.
So that's the problem. But the good news, the fix isn't about trying harder or having more willpower. Nope, it's about building a smarter system, and we can do that. It just takes 4 simple steps. We're gonna make starting so easy it's ridiculous. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff that gets in your way. We're gonna get super, super clear on what you're doing, and we're gonna build a real routine. And that 3rd step, being specific, is a total game changer. Look at the difference here. I will study chemistry is massive and scary. Your brain has no idea where to even start. But I will do 20 multiple choice questions of electrochemistry. Now that is a clear mission. Your brain knows exactly what the finish line looks like. So if you remember one thing from all of this, let it be this. Stop waiting to feel motivated. It's a trap. Put all that energy into building a better system, one that makes studying the easy, obvious thing to do. And you know what? The goal isn't to have a perfect 3-hour study session every single day. It's just to be consistent. Even on your worst days when you feel like you have nothing to give, giving just 20% is infinitely better than giving 0%. Showing up, even when it's messy, is how you build the identity of someone who studies. And let's just be real for a second. Some days, you're gonna fail. You're gonna get distracted. You're going to waste time. And that is completely okay. It happens, it's part of it. The only true failure is quitting altogether. Just get back to it the next day. So how do you start? Right here, with this number, 10 minutes. That's your new goal. Don't worry about the whole chapter or the entire afternoon. Your only job is to start, just for 10 minutes. It's so small, so unintimidating that your brain can't really argue with it. So I'll leave you with this question. Forget about the mountain you have to climb. What's the first step? What is one tiny, specific thing you can do for just 10 minutes, starting right now? Go figure that out, because your new system, your new way of working, starts with that one simple answer.